Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Pajon Monye. By the time you can see that I'm going to just install this beautiful wig by Nadula Hair. Look, if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep watching. Hey guys, so we're just gonna jump straight into the video. As you guys know, I am using Nadula's Hair. This wig is a 13 by 4 24-inch highlighted wig. It came this color. I did not bleach it or anything. I will link the review I did on this wig down below and also on this screen so you guys can check that out. But so far, I'm still going to be installing this wig very much so glueless. I'm just, trying it on, trying to see where I want it to lay. And I can tell y'all, I had my cap so far up on my head that I was like, what the hell? So as y'all can see, like, I'm trying to fix it. Got to scoot that back, show a little more forehead or whatever. And once I did that, it fits just perfectly. So I will let you guys keep watching and I'll come back when I start installing. So I just wanted to give you guys a closer look at this lace because I did not do anything to this wig. Like, it's straight out the box. No plucking, no bleaching, nothing. Like, it's just beautiful, just like this. This hair is so soft, like, it's not letting me do what I want to do. I just wanted to give y'all more realistic of this hairline, okay? Let's period. Now, when it comes to cutting my lace, I do the same thing in every install, glueless or not glueless. I just take the lace and cut it into 4 sections. This will help me install the wig a lot better than just trying to take the whole thing. Now guys, this is my first time using Got2b glue gel as like an adhesive. And y'all will see in the video how I made mistakes, but I corrected them. So at the end, you guys will see that it still came out to be a good install. Hopefully this stick. Honestly, I'm really used to Ghost Bond because y'all know if y'all use Ghost Bond, once you put that line on there, smooth it out and blow dry it, sis is stuck. Like, I did not feel a lot of security with this Got2b, but it still came out right. So I just used my blow dryer to like secure it some more and combed it, and then I'll just move on to the next side. Ew, like, what the fuck? Why does it drip like that? So I'm going to be completely honest with y'all. This is the side that gave me the most problems. And as the video goes on, you guys will see. But the first problem started off right there with that tab right there. You guys can see like the Got2b like laid on the lace in a way. I don't know. But it went away sort of when I started like pressing my fingers down. But again, like y'all will see when I start cutting off the lace, like how the Got2b like left a residue. And I'm not used to that at all. I'm used to everything drying clear, and not having to go back in. But again, keep watching, y'all. Stay tuned for the finished results. I just want y'all to see this wig before I even cut the lace off. Like, I use Got2b, which is, y'all, Got2b is very messy. I've never used Got2b for my installs before. but I don't have any more Ghost Bond, so I had to use it. But I can say that this junk is really nice. I wish I had my razor, but I don't know where I put it. Once I get this little white cast off, period, like scalp. I'm gonna put a little bit more glue right there. Ooh, got to be fucking glue. Y'all, got to be is messy. That's why I don't like it. Right here, you guys can see what I was talking about earlier. Like, it left a white residue, and I really don't know why. Like, this isn't my first time trying got to be on my install, so I can't say like, oh, I just, messed it up. But maybe I'm not applying it right. I know it's not an actual glue, but to me, like, it should have still held a little more. I think if I used like my got to be freeze spray after I did it, then it would have like blended better. But I don't know, it was giving me a hard time, but I still made it work. You want to make sure that you cut all the extra lace off, and then use a towel, just a regular wet towel, guys, and just like try to get some of that excess adhesive off, because you don't want your install to be white and casty. Okay, like, not at all. This side did not give me that much problems. Like, I don't understand why or what the heck I was doing different, but this side did not give me a lot of problems. As y'all can see, like, it looks really good compared to the other side, but I still made both sides work. So don't panic. Keep watching. Okay, so boom. My phone was playing with me and the storage was full, so I had to wait. So I didn't get that footage of me laying my edges. So I'm just gonna use the got to be gel to lay my edges, guys. Y'all saw I already like pre-cut them and outlined it. So I'm just gonna use this to lay my edges, and then I will see y'all at the end of the video. So I hope you guys liked it, and I will see y'all later. This wig is so beautiful, y'all. Like, I keep saying the word beautiful because it really is. Like, to say that's pre-color and everything, that's crazy. And to say that this wig is only 24 inches, this fits me like 26 inches. So I'm just going to take some makeup, put in my part, and that's it, you guys. Okay, guys, so I hope you will like this video. I think this is a really good company, good vendor, good hair, good lace. So I think you guys should go try it. All the links will be in the description box. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment, like, subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.